Hello guys, this is Tom here. Today I got my conveyor belts done. This is one kit, and put it all together, and I'm going to have to paint them and then weather them, and stick them together like that. And then you use these things to elevate it. You can cut them down to size to wherever you need to elevate it to. So that's that one. And then these are modern conveyor belts. Has a walkway there, covered, and then they connect together too. So I got 3 of those. I got 3 of these too, but I put one up on the layout just to see how it goes. And then you got these 3 supports here, and you're gonna have to cut them in different sizes to get it to angle up. And then these are the pads for, you put 2 together. Let's see, there and there, and that's what they're for. So once I cut these down, then they go into the pads and hold them up. So that's what that is, and I'm gonna put them up on a layout. And the last thing I'm making, there's the directions and there's all the parts. That's the oil refinery. That's the next thing I'm making. So I'll be back after I get these things painted, and I'll put them up on a layout, and then I'll show you what they look like up there. So we'll be back a little later. See you in the next session. Okay gang, I'm back. I got the conveyors all done. They're all painted and weathered and put in place. So this is my coal processing plant, and there's a conveyor belt there, and I have some coal on top of it, and then over there's a coal pile. And then on this side I got this conveyor belt with a cover on it. I painted the same color as the roof on the top so it blends in, and painted the rails black, and then the walkway is like brown, and I weathered those so that they're all in place. So that's it for that. And then over here, that area there is going to be where I put the oil refinery. I had those propane tanks filled there, and I moved them over to there. So that's going to be the future spot for the oil refinery. And I got to make some storage tanks, and we'll put that all over there. So that's the future next one. So we're getting there with all the buildings up here. I gotta put a building there, and that's it. So that's it for today, and we'll see you all in the next video. Again, there's the conveyor belts, and there's the, yeah, there they go. So that's it for today. So we'll all see you in the next video. This is Tom, and everybody have a great weekend. Talk to you later.